Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to make mutton keema egg roll. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan. Add 2 large onions chopped. Fry until it's get into a golden brown color. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook until raw flavor is gone. Add 3 medium tomatoes paste. Fry it 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Add quarter tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add 1½ tablespoon of chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Add half tablespoon of cumin powder. Mix it well. Add some water. Cook 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Add minced meat, which was washed and cleaned. Stir it 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. Add salt. Mix it well. Add some cardamom powder. Cook for 10 minutes on high heat. Add 1½ cups of water. Mix it well. Cover it with lid. Cook for another 30 minutes on low heat. Add some sliced ginger pieces. Add chopped 2 green chilies. Add some coriander leaves. Mix it well. Our mutton keema is ready. Now we will see how to make egg roll. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now add the roti made of wheat into the pan. And flip it over. Once it's cooked, transfer it into a plate. Now add beaten egg and spread like this. On top of it, add cooked roti and cook it for 1 minute and flip it over. Our egg roti is ready. Now add some mutton keema. And add some onion sliced. And roll this. Our mutton keema roll is ready. It's ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.